wattage. Good afternoon, guys. Another week, another vlog. It is Friday today and end of the week, and it is going to be extra long weekend because Tuesday is holiday because of Canada Day, and Monday we booked off, so we made it extra long weekend. We don't know what we are going to do on this weekend. Probably we are gonna stay home and rest. Super duper hot, guys. Super duper hot. Okay, so this is our halim. Okay, so the time is almost 8:30. We are doing deep cleaning as usual. Tomatoes, more tomatoes. So this is jasmine. As you can see, there are 1, 2, 11 jasmine. We took a nice nap. And now we are going to work out because in the morning we did not do it. So I know the morning time is really good. However, if you miss it, don't make a reason. Usually on weekdays when I come back from work, I water the plants, and I just love this part because I find it sort of meditation. Every time when you plant something or when you water the plants, you will notice that your whole focus is here. I don't know what is this, but this is sort of magic. I find it magical, and this is my most favorite time of the day to water these plants. I love spending time with them. Look at that moon, guys. Okay, so it is ready. So I'm going to take half portion of it. I'm going to freeze it for later use. Good afternoon, guys. It is Sunday today, and today we are heading for shopping, and after that we are planning to watch Sitare Zameen Par, Amir Khan's new movie. It's not decided yet, but let's see. Sometimes it is good to stay home instead of going somewhere, just to rejuvenate yourself. Cook, eat and sleep, cook, eat and sleep, and repeat the cycle. Yeah, that's also fun part. So I woke up at 2 p.m. today because last night I went to sleep around 5 o'clock. So yeah, we are going to premium outlets of Windsor. Let's see if we can find something nice. We're gonna go to premium malls by walk because this way we decided not to work out today. Instead, we decided to walk to the mall. So yeah, Sanjay is helping me in kitchen in cleaning up. I really like those highlighters like the actresses use. Looks like liquidy highlighters. I don't know where to get it from. What do we call it? Okay, and I'm ready. I'm gonna show you this outfit. I recently bought it from Costco. This is what I did with my hair. This is my outfit, and I love this dress. Almost 4:20, and it's beautiful, sunny, shiny day. Oh my god, I did a lot of shopping, guys. Look. I'm gonna show you my shopping haul once we are home. I bought these clothes for work, summer clothes. So good. Okay, that's curry, tempting curry. Today's menu is rice and sindhi curry. It's lassi. The time is 8:25. We took a really nice nap. What are you doing? This guy is growing super fast. Look at this. He's almost Sanjay's height. My brother gifted me like 2 years ago, right? 1 year ago. 16 months ago. Okay. This is world's best coffee ever. Now I'm gonna put dots in here. At that time I would do it with surma, but surma is not gonna stay longer, so I'm using this eyeliner. It's not going to make really round, but I'm trying, because in the surma there is a round tip, so you just put a dot like this, and it turns out round. But in this one the tip is like super thin, so we need to make it round. Okay, and Sanjay is having sweet potato. Time is 10:25. My dough is ready. I'm just going to put it for the rest around 10 minutes, and it's going to be perfectly ready to make rotis. Okay. Large radius, so this tawa has made my roti making process super faster, and this is one of my best investments. I bought it from Costco. It was for 39 something, right?
33.
33.99 this time.